Hello, guys, and welcome to FilFlo ERP. So this is our portal, and the first look of portal will look like this. And in today's session, we will be discussing about this portal only. I will make you go through this portal. What are the features available on FilFlo, and what problems we are solving, and how the flow looks like. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. So as we can see on our left side, this is a demo account for FilFlow. For this is for the usage of demo purposes, like I'm recording right now. And first of all, we have sales section. In we have four subsections available: B2B orders, gate passes, credit notes, and returns. So if we go to B2B orders, so basically these are our sales orders which we are selling to various customers. You can see there are few lineup sales orders here on portal. The customer is of Zepto, Blinkit, DMart, and all, and you will be having your life cycle of a PO on this dashboard. So we have total orders 50 available, 8 are in open. So once a PO is in open, then it will get approved. Then after approval, it will get assigned. After assigning, it will get picked. And after getting picked from the warehouse team, it will go for the finance approval part. After the approval, it get invoiced. After the invoice, it will get dispatched, and our order will be in transit. At later stage, our order will be delivered. Then it will be GRN entered, rejected, cancelled, which is having credit note attached with the PO. So this is our full life cycle till GRN entered. And we have these three tabs in. Meanwhile, we are not dispatching our PO. So we can reject the PO, we can cancel the PO, or we can make a credit note of our cancelled PO as well. Then you can see on this portal we have various subsection available. So this is a credit note section where we can add a credit note from going to create invoice files or creating a credit note through custom means. And we have returns tab also here. If our shipments is getting RTO'd, then we can add our shipment in the return tab so that we can retract our SKUs back to our inventory. Then we have product inventory as well. So first of all, we have this dashboard of inventory available where you will be having your total inventory on hand, total allocated, which is currently going in your POs, which is allocated at your warehouse, your 12 racks in use. Then you can see your inventory by products and by rack. By product, you can see you have total these line items available where you have product name, SKU code, total available inventory, allocated inventory, racks in action, and everything can be downloaded via export CSV. So you can reconcile your inventory or you can use this data for your further use. Then we have invert option. The invert option is basically when we are inverting the products into the inventory, we can manually invert products. We can go through purchase orders like our procurement PO, and we have the option of bulk CSV as well. So we can invert our SKUs to our inventory. Then we have count adjustment feature is also there where we can calculate a variance for a particular SKU so that we can adjust our inventory so that we have correct balance inventory available at our warehouse. Then for every SKU moving from one location to another location, it is getting inverted and getting dispatched. It will be tracked through a inventory logger section where we can see we have dispatched this number of articles like 192 articles of Navratna mix and 816 articles of masala noodles. So these all are dispatched. And if I can make you see here, the sales order with this sales order, it was dispatched and it was allocated for this sales order. So we have a track of everything which is moving in our software, every inventory which is moving right now. Like if it is getting allocated, it is getting dispatched, or it is adding to our system. We have allocation right here. Then let's go to sourcing. Where sourcing, we are basically purchasing our goods, our SKUs. So we can raise purchase orders from here. We can mark purchase returns. We can issue debit notes for our purchase orders, and also in the sourcing tab, we have rate card section available. In this rate card section, we are basically creating our customized rate for various customers. If I'm procuring a particular SKU from two vendors, then I will be taking my A SKU with A vendor on this rate and taking A SKU with B vendor on this rate. So I will be applying a rate card to a particular vendor so that I will get billed at the end of shipment on the basis of that only. So this rate card is for sourcing. And if we go on and look at master data just after this, so we have our product inventory available. In product inventory, we have SKU description, SKU codes, MRPs, and every detail about our SKU, we can edit that and we can create new products and we can edit existing products. So this is how our products looks like. And then we have B2B customers available, where if we are dispatching our sales order to our customers, then we can add a customer or we can send our goods to a particular customer. So the billing detail, the shipping details, it will be tracked through a master data in particularly B2B customers. So if a customer is listed in this section, we can dispatch our goods to that customer. Then we have material bill of materials, where we can list our raw materials, where we can list our things that are making our inventory. And after that, we have suppliers data. Suppliers data is similar on the lines with B2B customers, where B2B customer is attached to our sales order and suppliers are attached to our purchase orders. So if we are purchasing something from a vendor, so it will be called as supplier. So we can list down our suppliers as well, and we can attach the customized rate card to our suppliers as well. Then we have transporter list while dispatching our sales order. We can use transporters. We can create transporter here by going on this tab, and we have this transporter ID and transporter name. It will show in the drop down. Then we have rate card available for the B2B customers for our sales order. Suppose we purchase the article on 70 rupees and I'm selling this article at 100. So in sales order, the rate card will be attached of 100 to our B2B customers. So this rate card is for the B2B customer, not for the suppliers, and the above rate card was for suppliers. Then we have rack locations available. We can create a rack location, we can edit a rack location, and so that our inventory get added to a particular location only. And this software also give you the feature of all the financial controls in one go. In report section, if I able to make you see, we have these number of tabs available. We have ledger data, we have pending invoices, sales loss, invoices, credit notes, gate passes, sales splash, and GST summary. So whether we are invoicing any PO or we are making credit notes or we are seeing ledger-wise data, so we have all the control in one click. Then if we can see in pending invoices, we have all the invoices which are pending, so we can approve these invoices so that they get invoiced. We have invoiced data as well. So if we want to see the number of POs which are invoiced, and you can download the header CSV and line CSV for all your reports as well. Then this is our admin dashboard, which is basically visible to the admin only, where you can use your where you can manage your users, you can create your users, you can define roles for your users, like what page they can see, what tabs they can access. So you can use this feature of defines roles as well, and you can add a new user to the system as well. So all these remaining things are for the admin and super admin purposes, which are not very relevant for this demo purposes. So this was a basic overview of FilFlo ERP, and I summed up this demo very quickly. If we dig down on any particular tab or a particular feature, it will take a longer time. For this session of a short demo, this was it from my side, and let's catch up in some others video. Thank you.